My name is Heath Kroll. I am the ASME Code Manager here at M. Davis. I handle all welding and fabrication for ASME needs. M. Davis has been in ASME code work for over 30 years, and we are an industry leader in that area. M. Davis holds 3 certification stamps: an ASME S stamp for boiler parts, an ASME U stamp for pressure vessels, and a National Board R stamp for repairs to pressure retaining components. We currently have over 100 ASME certified welders, over 50 visual and liquid penetrant examiners, and 10 CWIs, which are certified welding inspectors. What sets M. Davis apart is our resources to handle large-scale projects, as well as our ability to be detailed enough for small custom projects. M. Davis supports large global customers as well as local manufacturers. We are experienced in petrochemical, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, gas separation, and power generation.
I'm Sean Boston. I'm the Engineering Manager at M. Davis. The M. Davis Engineering Group has collectively over 70 years experience. We have expertise in pressure vessel design, modular design, fabrication, and assembly documentation. We provide engineering support for our code shop team for when a customer comes to us with a design brief that doesn't fit within exactly the mold of what is set out in the code. We can assist by providing the engineering support, and that's how we see our point of difference that we offer as a support services to the code shop. Through access to the finite element analysis software that we have, we're able to provide assistance with analysing complex assemblies by providing computational calculations that would otherwise not be feasible through just manual means.
At M. Davis, we utilize our engineering group along with our custom fabrication shop, where we merge analytical design with years of hands-on experience in the field. At the end of the day, the people behind the work is one of the most important aspects that we offer.